Manila Art is the Philippines' longest-running visual arts fair, and this year's event, with collaboration from the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, aligns with the 2024 Museums and Galleries theme for the month, Ani ng Sining, Bayang Malikhain.
Our theme is Prisms and Mosaic. We are participated by 34 galleries from all over the country. And these are established galleries that have, curated shows of their artists. We have a bigger space, spacious, and a more relaxed environment. A very beautiful place to, for education.
Ako si Ramalyari Jr., visual artist. Ang pagkakaiba po nung gawa natin is, yun nga, medyo hindi siya serious, more on, more on sculptures na hindi natin madalas nakikita sa ibang galleries. Ang theme po na ginagawa ko usually is steampunk. So alam naman natin ang steampunk is Victorian era. What if kung hindi na-invento yung electricity, everything will be running from steam. So yun po yung usual na ginagawa ko. And this is steampunk. And this is me.
Ako si Umbok Villamor, isang abstract artist. Title ng show ko is Wonders of the Deep. Yung preparation ko nito is I think 1 year, mahigit. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung gawa ko is inspired for underwater, no? So makikita nyo is they have a manta ray, they have a jellyfish, is a kelp, and then Golden Sanctuary. Si kelp kasi is ginawa ko siya, in-inspired ko because ang kelp kasi siya, hindi ako nagkakamali, siya yung nagpo-provide ng 85 or 90% of oxygen. So it's a big help sa ilalim ng dagat, no?
I am Salvador Palad Belsonda. They call me for short with nickname Saldi. That's doon sa mga Saldi Belsonda tawag sa akin. Ako ay isang artist, particularly sculptor. Ang medium ko ay toothpick, kaya tinatawag nilang toothpick artist. Ang showcase ko dito yung aking toothpick art na isang Pilipiniana na ang konsepto ko dito, this is a scale model ng isang iconic tower. Kasi wala tayong iconic tower. Sa postcard makikita lang natin ay yung monumento ni Rizal na hindi naman ginawa ng Pilipino, at ang mga materyales ay imported. So sabi ko dapat meron tayong iconic tower na pantapat sa Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty. And then ginawa ko siyang Pilipiniana para pag nakita ka agad sa ibang bansa, ma-identify mo tong Pilipinas ang nire-represent ito. So makikita nyo dito yung environment, promotion ng environment. Kasi yung tapis niya, ang design niya ay leaves. Then yung blouse niya at saka sleeve. Design a flower, 6-petal flower.
My name is Chris Aguaras. I started building this as a clockwork. But out of frustrations, because clockwork is really like, you should be accurate on cutting gears and stuff like that, and it should tell time. What's the purpose of building the clock if it doesn't tell time, or if it's not, telling the right time? So it ends up, I had all my gears, but I made it like an art. So instead of just a pendulum, which is the tick-tack, 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 when you put something on top of that fulcrum, it will spin around.